Hi, welcome to Mediworld Middle East. This is Irshad. We have with us Dr. Mira Musa. She is the Deputy Director of Khalifa University for Biomedical Sciences. So let's have a quick chat with her. My first question is, ma'am, your research focuses on genetics basically and also the drug delivery. How do you envision the application of these technologies in advancing the regenerative medicine and also the personalized healthcare in the future?
So a key of what Abu Dhabi's envision is to diversify the genetic code that is currently available. Currently, the Middle East and the Arab genome is significantly lacking. And so if we would like to tackle personalized medicine, we would like to include the genomics of the Arab population within the 1,000 Genome Project, within the HapMap project, or more greatly, the Pan Genome Project, which are different initiatives of really targeting pharmaceutical therapies into genetic discovery. And so part of this, to apply the use of genomics in pharmaceutical therapy or drug discovery, we're able to understand the application of genomics in the field of personalized medicine. We're able to target specific genetic panels to not only cause early diagnosis of specific conditions, but also accelerate therapeutic discoveries.
So how often this happens? I mean, to say that, is there any examples where you have been into this research and you have found some good results out of it?
So part of having an R&D arm in all healthcare conditions, we're able to accelerate the identification of specific genetic variants that lead to causing the pathogenesis of the disease. And so the application of this in clinical is still, I would say, on the roadblock, specifically on the field of diabetes or metabolic diseases, where diabetes is a very multi-allelic condition. So it's not one gene relating to this. And so by really understanding and leading to clinical target discovery, we need to improve our genetic panel, include the Arab genome, to really understand which variants are causing these specific health conditions in this region, and this will accelerate clinical discovery.
So moving on to my next question, as a strong advocate for the diversity and inclusion in STEM fields, what strategies or initiatives do you believe are effective in promoting and supporting women's participation and leadership, specifically in genetics and also some other scientific disciplines?
So the involvement of women in research panels, I mean, there are multiple women leaders in Abu Dhabi that we look up to, one being Professor Habiba Safad, who's the director of the Biotechnology Center. And she is truly an admiration to all young scientists who would like to strive to be like her. And so when we look into her and other Arab scientists that have implemented what they've done, what they've dedicated their life to, it is important in terms of improving the advancements of life science research here in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, exactly. Even when we look at her achievements, she has already wrote more than 100 papers, exactly.
Correct, yeah, and I mean, the contribution that she has done, you know, in the field of life sciences, not only regionally, but globally as well, is something that, I mean, it's truly admirable, and I hope that I can follow her footsteps into investing my life into this as well.
That's great. That's a very appreciating thing, because women in UAE or women from Middle East, reaching that point is actually important to say that, yeah, not only the men, even women are far better in the field of health industry from past many years. Yeah, that's
and
great.
I think it's important to learn from each other, collaborate with one another in different ecosystems, different institutions, public-private sectors, with national, international healthcare leaders. I mean, through this collaborative ecosystem and partnerships, we're able to advance life science research and the application of that in genomics and clinical trials.
Yeah, as you said, collaboration is often crucial for progress in scientific research and innovation. How do you approach interdisciplinary collaboration, and how has it contributed to the success of your projects in genomics?
So part of one of the projects I'm working in, which is the Biomedical Science and Discovery Program. It's a collaboration between Khalifa University and an institution in Leuven. And this facilitates knowledge transfer programs. So we send our students to Leuven, they train for a few months, they bring the knowledge here to Khalifa University, and we teach our students. And this is how we're able to train our next generation of scientists. And by doing this, we're learning new skills. We're learning what leaders around the world are integrating into their research, and we're bringing it here locally to Abu Dhabi to really solidify itself as a hub for life science research. And this is the push for a collaborative ecosystem that Abu Dhabi has developed here.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic. That's all for today. Thank you
perfect.
for joining
Thank you
with
so
us.
much.
Yeah.